Hello boss, we are manufacturers of diesel engines.
Have a single-cylinder diesel engines of all sizes.
Hello, this is Changxin brand engine of R176.
Its overload output is 4.20 kilowatt.
Hello, this is Changxin brand engine of R190.
Its overload output is 7.7 kilowatt.
Hello, this is Yangman brand engine of EH28M.
Power is 18.38 kilowatt.
Hello, this is Changxin Zhongde brand engine of CX25M.
Its power is 17.6 kilowatt.
Hello, this is Changxin brand engine of ZS1105G.
Its overload output is 13.2 kilowatt.
Hello, this one is Changxin Zhongde brand engine of CX36M.
Its power is 25 kilowatt.
If you like, call me or email contact. Bye bye.